Is Clickworker really a great way to make money from anywhere, anytime, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested this platform for quite a while, and many of you have asked for an updated Clickworker review because there's been a lot of changes. So therefore I decided to record this video where I'll give you all the details, both the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away that it has both, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join Clickworker, and you can join Clickworker from more or less all countries. So in that sense, they are right when they say you can earn from anywhere, and you can earn both on the website or you can use the app. It has an app that's available for both Android and iOS devices. Just be aware that in my experience, that's something new. That's not how it used to be, but you actually need the app because whenever I log in on the website, it asks me to verify through the app that I'm actually logging in. So I had to also install the app on my phone to be able to even get access to the website. I find that quite strange and not that user friendly because maybe you don't want it on your phone, also maybe you just want it on the website. But anyways, that's how it is at the time of recording this video for me, that I do need to verify through the app. So be aware of that you likely need to be able to install the app also to join and sign in on the website. But anyways, let's now go over how you can earn, how much you can earn, how you can get paid and all that, so you can find out if you should even join. So I have now logged into Clickworker, and as you can see, I have the available jobs here on my main dashboard, but most of this has been blurred because Clickworker does not allow you to show to anyone that's not a member the exact tasks. I've actually once been in contact with them about this. This was a terrible experience being in contact with their support. So, that's definitely something, in my personal opinion, the way they communicate with the support, so that definitely could be improved. But anyways, that's, that doesn't mean you can't earn, because you definitely can, as you will see here. This just explains why I can't show you anything here, but I can give you some examples. If we go to the website itself, you can see they, for example, have screenshots here, so that's publicly available, so I can show this, where they show, for example, like some experiences here where you answer a few questions about yoga, take pictures of fragrances, show a dining area, and these ones here, they pay quite well per job. Don't expect that they pay this much per job, because they don't in my personal experience. And also how many tasks you will get access to and how much they pay, of course, also will vary depending on your country. But overall, they have different categories. If you scroll down on the website, again, this I can show you. It can be service, it can be something where you need to do some text creation, research there, mystery visits, app testing, photo capturing, and audio recording and video recording. So there's all these small types of tasks. Some of them you can do from home, from anywhere. Others require you, for example, to go to specific locations to do some photos or to do some video recordings, or to do some mystery visits. Of course, there you actually need to go to specific locations. The tasks that require you to go to specific locations usually also pay more, so they can be worth it, but you just need to, of course, calculate how much time would you need to spend to actually get to that location and all these things before you actually say yes to them. But you can always see exactly how much you'll get paid before saying yes or applying for a task, and then you can see for yourself what you want. But there is also another way to get access to more jobs here on Clickworker that we also just need to talk about. So when you're inside, you can also see something where you can unlock U8RS task, and this is a separate platform actually where you can get access to a lot more small micro tasks. Usually that's kind of AI training, data entry tasks. I also do have a full video about U8RS tasks, so I'll leave a link in the top corner there, and also a link to more information I have about it on my website below, so you can check that out, because that platform is actually a separate platform, but you need to connect it to another platform, and Clickworker is one of the most popular platforms you can connect this to. You need to pass a test to actually get access to these tasks. It's not too difficult. I explain all about that in my full tutorial I have about that, but overall it does take a little bit of time. It takes effort, but then you can also get access to a lot more tasks. So if you do like Clickworker, this can be a way to get access to more. Also, just be aware that in general there are sometimes tasks or sometimes tests or assessments you need to do inside Clickworker to get access to certain tasks. So just be aware that sometimes you need to put a little bit of extra effort into that. But let's now then talk about how you can actually get paid and how much you can overall earn. So when it comes to making money online, you of course always need to know how you can get paid, so you make sure you only join a platform that offers payment methods that you like. And when it comes to Clickworker, you can go to the payment settings and then you can see the options available to you, because I have, for example, PayPal available and bank transfer available. You can also see the exact payment frequency. That would be every 7 days there. I would need to earn 10 euros to be able to take that out. If I want to get transfer via bank transfer, then it's 14 days, 10 euro cash out threshold here. But these are the methods available for me, because if you check the FAQ section, you can see they actually also do offer Payoneer. I think that's great. That's something they have actually introduced since I first tested it. This has changed. They used to actually offer Wise, which I actually also like, but now they offer Payoneer, which is great because that also means it's possible to get paid in cash in most countries, because Payoneer is available in many countries where PayPal, for example, is not. So overall, I think it is some quite good payout options they have. The payout threshold is also not too high, and they do process the payments fairly quickly, once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on which payout option you choose. So that's definitely also quite nice in my opinion. So how much can you then earn as a worker on Clickworker? Well, that depends on various factors. That's always the case with platforms like this that offer microtasks. And the exact fee you will get per task you do, of course, depends also on the complexity of it, where you live, and all these different things. But overall, there are a decent number of different tasks available, but they are not necessarily unlimited tasks available. Some of them also requires quite a bit of effort. So I would say I wouldn't do it as the only platform. But what you overall just need to be aware that no matter what, no matter where you live, no matter how many tasks you do, this is not a way to make a full-time income or anything like that. I do like that they are very clear about that. You see, they even highlighted this in the FAQ section. They say working at Clickworker should not be considered as a substitute for full-time employment or self-employment. And I like that they're so transparent about this. More platforms could definitely be that. So that's great. This is very important to be aware of. Platforms like this in general should not be considered something you can do for a living. It is a way to make some extra money on the side, completely for free. And if that's what you're going for, then this can be an option. So to sum it all up, Clickworker is a legit way to make money from anywhere, more or less. But the number of tasks will of course vary depending on where you live. Overall, I think it is quite user-friendly. It has improved like that. I just have had some personal bad experiences with the support. That's just my personal opinion, my personal experiences. Feel free to share your experiences below. That would be great to hear also. But overall, it can be a decent way to make a bit of extra money. I would definitely recommend you don't use it as the only platform if you want to make some extra money. But I do have more information about Clickworker on my website. If you want to know more, I will leave a link to that below there. I will also leave a link to more information about the best microtask platforms and best data entry platforms, because that's the type of jobs they offer. And then you can find out the best platforms that are alternatives and that also offer great options like that. So then you can check that out and easily get access to as many earning opportunities as you want. But again, just be aware, it's not a way to make a living or anything like that. It's just a way to make some extra money on the side, completely free. You can start earning right away. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.